IIT target course for standard 11 and IIT JEE. Dear students, I have finished problems based on conic section like circle, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Now today I am going to write the formulae used in conic section. I suggest you to learn these formulae to make the problem more convenient after practicing types of problems based on conic section. Summary. That means main points related with conic section. First, a conic section or just conic is a curve obtained as the intersection of a plane with a right circular conical surface. Second, eccentricity is a measure of how closely a conic section resembles a circle. It is a characteristic parameter of every conic section. First, the eccentricity ranges 0 to infinity. The greater the eccentricity, the less the conic section resembles a circle. Third, a circle is a set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point. Fourth, the fixed point is called the center of the circle. The distance from the center to a point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. Fifth, the eccentricity of a circle is always 0. Sixth, equation of circle with center HK and radius R is given by x minus h ka whole square plus y minus k ka whole square equal to R square. 7. A parabola is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point and fixed line in the plane. Number point 8. The fixed point is called the focus of the parabola and the fixed line is called the directrix of the parabola. Full stop. A line through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix is called the axis of the parabola. The point of intersection of parabola with the axis is called the vertex of the parabola. Point 9. The eccentricity of a parabola is the ratio of the distance of any point on the parabola from the focus to the distance of that point from the directrix. It is denoted by E. Point 10. The eccentricity of a parabola is always 1. Point 11. Equation of parabola with vertex at origin, axis as x-axis, focus a comma 0 and directrix x equal to minus a is given by y square equal to 4ax. Point 12. Equation of parabola with vertex at origin, axis as x-axis, focus at minus ag comma 0 and directrix x equal to a is given by y square equal to minus 4ax.